it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a living room tour, and it's not going to be very different, like drastically different than the previous one. But there are a few items here and there, and you guys love living room tours. So I thought, let's do this one. There are a few additional items here and there. There's some paintings, there's a swing, some furnishings as well. So this is going to be a quick one. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what my living room looks like as you enter, and here on the side you have this key stand which is in the shape of a cactus with a reindeer holder that's from H&M Home, and this thing that says welcome to my home with shells hanging, and this piece is from Bali. I have painted the wall grey on my own because I thought keeping it white would be really simple. Moving on to this side of the room, this is supposed to be my favorite corner, and I think it's going to be your favorite corner as well because it has a swing and it has plants on the side, and it's just a very cozy vibe, especially when you have the lamp on. The lamp that you see here is also my favorite. It's really well made by this artist called Siddharth, who also happens to be my boyfriend, and it's actually made out of waste slippers that you find in the ocean, like especially on the shore, and it's really nice. I think it adds a very different vibe to the whole place with such an unusual lamp. Next up, we have all these plants here on this basket, and I really love plants, but then because I'm always traveling, it gets really difficult to take care of them. So all of these are artificial. Even this one, the bamboo plant here on the side, all of them are artificial. Next up, we have this swing that I picked up from Amazon, and it was pretty cheap for a swing. This colorful rug also that I picked from Amazon, which was also pretty cheap and a good steal. They have all shapes of these rugs, and I think it was a good pick. So here is a metal grid that I got customized from a hardware store. I just asked him, I showed him a picture and I asked him if he could do it, and he said he could, and I think I got it for around 1,000 rupees, and I think it was a good one. You can hang your things on it, and you can also put your photographs or whatever you want on the grid. Here on this side is this shelf which is super old, and I got this from Pepperfry, and I have made this into my bookshelf and just put on my usual things. There's a mirror behind it, and there's also this thing that says Gold Coast, which is from Gold Coast, Australia. So as you can see, I pick a lot of things from my travels. Even the whale tail there in the corner is from Gold Coast, Australia. I really love the colors teal and pink together, and even white. So I usually pick things that are in the same color tone. This book stopper on the side is from Chumbak, and the color, it stole my heart, so I had to pick it. This long-faced giraffe you see is from Bali, and right below it is another shelf that I picked from Athome long ago. It's a very old one with the speaker on top, and my YouTube silver play button that I received from YouTube once I crossed 100,000 subscribers. So as you can see, this drawer unit here looks really old and has also like lost its color, but I think somehow it just looks a little vintage because of that, and I kind of like it. I changed the knobs to these knobs that I picked from London. On this side we have my work desk. This was not supposed to be a work desk area before, but then I just converted it into one because I really like sitting here, especially during sunset. This wall you see here, the pink wall, was painted by me, and I stuck the pictures by myself, because it's really nice to have a lot of pictures, a lot of it's more like a vision board for me. And yeah, I think that just adds to the vibe of the whole living room. This cactus painting you see here is also by me. I painted it myself on a canvas, and I usually do things like this in my pastime, and also because I am a graphic designer and illustrator artist. So painting is also a part of my job. I think curtains play a very important role in keeping the vibe of your room, and I think these ruffled ones do perfect justice to the whole Bohemian vibe. Now moving on to this side, this is a huge dream catcher that I picked from Bali, and they have really huge ones, and I think this was the smallest that I got from Bali. And on this side we have some more plants right next to the window. This painting you see here of this leopard or cheetah, this leopard is also made by me, and there is an IGTV of how I created this. This couch here is from Pepperfry, and these cushions on top of it are from AA Living, my all-time favorite for furnishings. This corner right next to the couch is also my favorite. This stand here is a pick from Athome. This blue color candle stand is from Bali, and even the leaf here. And above that I've placed all these little candles, and there's this pineapple that's from Australia, and this piece from Museum of Goa. Here we have this rug that's from Chumbak, and something that I'm super proud of is this coffee table that I made myself. It's completely wrapped around with thread around these car tires, and it's quite a good DIY. You can actually try it yourself. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. All the item details are in the description below. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I hope you like my living room. I really love it, but it's also a big task to keep it clean because I have no house help and I have to do everything on my own. So before filming this video, I was cleaning the room so much and it was so hectic. It took me 2 hours to clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up and leave your comments below. Tell me which area was your favorite, and tell me if you like home related videos. I'm also doing my closet. I'm cleaning my closet and I'll soon put a video up about that as well. So that's it for this one. See you next time. Bye.